In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Google Form owner. Maybe you created a form for your team, a school project, or an event, and now someone else needs to manage it going forward. Instead of recreating the form from scratch, you can simply transfer ownership. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, explain what each action does, and share a few tips along the way so nothing important gets lost in the transition. First, open your Google form. You can do this by going to your Google Drive, finding the form file and double-clicking it, or by opening it directly from a link if you have it bookmarked. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, because only the current owner can transfer ownership. Once your form is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the 3 vertical dots, also called the More Options menu. From the drop-down that appears, select Add Collaborators or Collaborators, depending on your interface. This will open a sharing window where you can see who currently has access to the form. In the Collaborators window, you'll see a list of people and their roles. If the person you want to make the new owner isn't listed yet, you'll need to add them. Type their email address into the field provided, set their permission to editor, and then send the invitation. They must have at least editor access before you can transfer ownership, so it's important they accept that invite first. After they've accepted and you refresh the Collaborators window, you'll see them listed as an editor. Now, find their name in the list. Click the drop-down next to their current role and choose Make Owner. A confirmation prompt will appear, letting you know that you're transferring ownership of this form and, in many cases, its associated responses and files. Confirm that you want to proceed. Once you confirm, ownership will be transferred. The new owner will now have full control over the form's settings, including the ability to delete it, manage responses, and change access. You may still remain as an editor or a viewer, depending on the options you selected. A quick tip before you finish. Let the new owner know that the transfer is complete, and encourage them to check the form's settings and response destination in case they want to adjust where new responses are stored. And that's it. You've successfully changed the owner of a Google form.